Here's your Storm Track 7 forecast.
I'm Storm Track 7 Chief Meteorologist Mark Schnackenberg. We've got a couple of rounds of thunderstorms. Some of these could be strong to severe. We'll start out with tonight. Risk of severe weather, level 2 out of 5 in our western counties, mainly western half of the state, while the storms may weaken a little bit as they move farther to the east. But we can't rule out an isolated severe thunderstorm. The primary threat would be some large hail up to 1 inch diameter, maybe winds up to 60 miles per hour, and isolated tornado threat really, really low. I think it's going to be just hail and wind if any of these become severe. So because of that, we have a Storm Track 7 yellow alert for strong to severe storms, hail and wind, the concern, and it'll be after midnight. And then as we go into the day tomorrow, everything gets ramped up just a little bit. The chance of thunderstorms, severe weather goes up, and the type of severe weather gets a little bit worse. So severe weather threat anytime during the day tomorrow. So any thunderstorm has the potential to become severe at any point during the day tomorrow. The most significant of the storms, I think at this point, look to be late afternoon and evening hours as a front passes on by. So looking at a pretty likely chance that some of these severe storms could be damaging wind. That's winds in excess of 75 miles an hour. Hail, potential is a little higher than what we saw for tonight. That's going to see wind or hail up to 2 inches in diameter of potential, as well as the threat for tornadoes goes up just a little bit. So a good portion of the area, level 3 out of 5, southern part of the area, level 4 out of 5. Just means that's maybe a bit more likely to see some severe weather down here, but that doesn't take away from areas to the north. Area-wide, everybody has a chance of severe weather. Not everybody will see severe weather. So here we have a yellow alert for severe storms. Damaging wind, large hail, and tornadoes at any time, and the most significant ones are expected here late afternoon and into the evening hours. So let's take a look at future track. We have dry conditions here through the evening hours. I think if you're going out this evening, not a problem. As you get towards midnight, thunderstorms will start pushing into the region. Again, some of these could be strong to severe overnight, so make sure you have a way of getting warnings and having it wake yourself up with those warnings. So like No Weather Radio or our Storm Track 7 weather app. That'll wake you up to let you know that there's severe weather on into the picture. Now during the morning hours, some of these thunderstorms will still be hanging around. Some of them could be strong, isolated severe storm possible. This is lunchtime. Now between lunchtime and maybe about 4 o'clock, we'll have probably dry weather. As you get towards 4 o'clock, here's the line that I'm concerned about. It's going to be along that front that pushes on through. From 4 to 5 and 6, here we are at 6 o'clock, severe weather. Large hail, damaging wind, maybe a couple of tornadoes in this line, and then that moves quickly eastward. And that moves out of the area by 8, maybe as late as 9 o'clock at the most, could be as early as 7. But we said 8 or 9 in that graphic, and then it moves off to the east. And that's it. Once that line passes by, we're okay for the rest of the night. Dry conditions, clouds, and then just maybe a spotty shower. So for tonight, yellow alert, damaging wind, large hail after midnight, some thunderstorms, locally heavy rain a possibility as well. I do think some of these thunderstorms, as they move on through, you could get a couple of rounds over your backyard and maybe an inch or two, maybe up to 3 a potential out of this on top of what fell last night. As we head into the day tomorrow, this gets ramped up to a red alert for the day tomorrow. 79 north, 86 to the south. Even if you don't get any thunderstorms, it's going to be a windy day tomorrow with winds gusting to about 40 miles per hour. Thunderstorms are likely area-wide. As we head into your city-by-city forecast for Wednesday and Thursday, a lot quieter. 60s and 70s for highs. Cooler day on Wednesday. We're back into the middle and upper 70s on Thursday. Lots of sunshine. A little windy still on Wednesday as the storm system finally moves away. Thursday, dry. In the afternoon on Friday, in the morning on Saturday, some showers and thunderstorms. At this point, it doesn't look to be severe. A couple isolated showers still lingering here into Sunday and Monday, as well as Tuesday. Temperature-wise, not too bad. 70s for highs, overnight lows in the 50s.